This just in, the verdict has just been read in Adrian Gonzales' case, and here's what happened. It's a great day for a great day. My name is Sydney Rushing. I'm a criminal defense attorney in the state of Michigan. Now let's talk about it. Excuse how I currently look because I'm in the middle of putting my children to bed, and in Texas, apparently, they can deliberate up until 11 p.m. So anyways, they deliberated for 7 hours, 6 minutes, 31 seconds. They returned a unanimous verdict. Everyone was on pins and needles, but they returned a verdict of not guilty. Now, with them having 9 days of trial, the time that they took to deliberate was pretty normal. Also, it showed that they were taking this very seriously. Obviously, this was a case of first impression. He was the first officer charged under this new law. And, they really went through it. At one point, they asked for a whiteboard so they could draw things out. And at a second point, they asked for a laptop so that way they could look at some of the evidence. They asked for a list of that evidence. They really went through everything as a team, and they came back with that unanimous verdict again after 7 hours and 6 minutes and 31 seconds and came back not guilty. In my opinion, this is the correct outcome for this case because Adrian Gonzales was not guilty of what they were asking. It's not like he stood there and just didn't do anything because there were other officers that then presented very quickly after him who had a clear shot, didn't take the shot. The monster was able to get into the school. None of the doors, this was just a whole bunch of stuff together that created a very bad situation and a very big tragedy. But Adrian Gonzales was not the person at fault. He is a scapegoat. 100% agree with that. I think many people agree with me with that. So I think the jury got it right in this case. And I'm not going to sit here and tell you that every officer charged under this new statute shouldn't be charged. But in this one, he shouldn't have been charged. So again, great outcome. I think this is the correct outcome. It is a tragic situation, but he is not the one who did the unalivings. That person is buried 6 feet under and hopefully reaping what he did in hell. So thank you for being here. Thank you for following along. And here's the question of the day. Do you think that the jury got it right? Let me know in the comments.